Hello and welcome. Today we will create this abstract animation easily in EEVEE. It's step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. Select the cube, go in edit mode, right click, subdivide. We give it 10. Go back in object mode, right click, shadow smooth. Now, here when you see the plus, up and select shader editor. Hit N to close this window. I zoom a little. Now, select this one, right click, delete. Go here in add, we go in shader, we select volume scatter, connect volume to the volume, go here in add, in converter we select color ramp, connect color to density, go here in add, in texture we select wave texture, Ctrl T and select mapping and texture coordinate. Connect color here in color ramp. Now first, we go here in the world, we make it black. I go here in EEVEE, enable this and this, and go here in color management and select very high contrast. Now, if we go here in viewport shading, as you can see, we can't see anything. So I select the light. Here in properties of the light, I make it area. Now we can see this volume. Now select the cube here. I make it like this. Here I select rings. In x-axis we select z-axis. Now the distribution I give it maybe 15,000. Okay, now we must to have more light to see our cube. So I go here in light, I add a point. You can see here in properties of this point, I give it 1000. GY and move it like this. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Now we can zoom. Now for the animation we must have a color. So I select the point, I give it color, maybe like this. Now we go back here and we decrease the number. Now if you go here in the render image, now we have this abstract motion graphic, but it's not perfect. So we go back here in EEVEE, in volumetrics, in title size, I select 2 pixels. Now we have a better result. The distribution, I give it 1. Now we go here in camera. We select the safe area. In viewport, we select just what we want. Okay, now if I go back here in render image, as you can see, we have a better result. Now we go here in the timeline. I give it 360. Make sure that you are in frame 1. We select this and I decrease the number here, maybe to 0.9 or 1. Now right click, insert a keyframe. Now we go in the end, enter 360 and we change maybe to 2.6. Right click, insert the keyframe. For the animation, we go here in output properties, you select your resolution and you go here and select any folder where you want to be your animation in your computer, and here you select FFmpeg video. Here in encoding, we select MPEG-4 and we select a high quality and go here and select render animation. So as you can see, it's easy to make. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. Until you goodbye and see you in the next one.